Chief Justice ma Pachokae Mikai Martha Koome osingo no biro umo nyithindo ma Pachokae mar mondo giyud ratiro margi kotenre koda weche goeko mag chike e seche mane otimo limbe mare e od twech mar nyithindo mantiere e kaunti noero ma Kisumo. Justice Koome wacho ni dwaro mar duol mar judiciary en mar thicho oko jela mag nyithindo, kowacho ni nyithindo owinjre odag e dendni maggi kopogore gi bedo e jela. Nomedo wacho ni buche mag nyithindo ok owinjre odek kata matin, kendo ok giwinjre gi kadh higa achiel.
Mtoto hakuomba kuzaliwa. Unamzaa, ni juhudi yako kumlea. Akiteleza, anasaidiwa kujirekebisha. Kazi mnayofanya ni muhimu. Tunawashukuru sana officers wa hapa. Kama kuna shida yoyote, any delays, Bwana manager, you always get in touch with us. I encourage it even more. There should not be delays on matters of children.
I am here to give you my commitment as the Chief Justice that we are going to ensure that our children are protected. Our children are our bridge to the future. And if we fail our children, I think we have no business to be in these offices. They are central to the services that we render. I have received a memorandum here from the children, which was presented to me by Beatrice, on the challenges that they encounter as children in the justice system. Our prayer is that we will have no children in the justice system, because children belong to homes, children belong to schools, children belong to the communities. So the communities will take that responsibility. And I'm happy in this facility it is working. We now have about 30 children. I'm told it's a facility for 100 children. But my prayer is when I come next year, I will find maybe 5 children.